Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to use the clean smear function of your HP Envy 7134. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve a PC or laptop. Now, this is a less commonly needed function of your printer, and when I would recommend using it is if you're seeing ink smeared down your prints as you go out, so like a vertical line or smear running down the page, rather than the horizontal ones that I'd normally recommend cleaner cycles for, or fuzzy prints, which I would recommend the alignment cycle for, both of which we have videos for on our channel. So, assuming this seems right for you, we need to sit ourselves in front of the screen and drag down the bar at the top before going into the setup menu, which is this little cog on the top left hand side. So go into setup, then we drag ourselves towards the bottom where we have printer maintenance. Click to go into printer maintenance. And below the cleaning and alignment cycles, we have clean smear. Let's go into that. Now, if we give the printer a minute, it will work away, slowly pulling a piece of paper through the rollers, back and forth, with the aim of picking up any ink that's within your printer and thoroughly kind of rubbing it into the page with that backwards and forwards motion. And when it's done, it will just spit the page out and return you to the printer maintenance screen we were on before. From here, you can just carry on printing, hopefully with better looking pages. But if the issue remains, you can always run through the exact same process again, maybe even chuck in a thicker bit of paper into the paper tray, like some matte photo paper or similar, to attempt to get rid of any really stubborn ink that might have found itself in there. But I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If you're having print quality issues different than the one covered here, I'd recommend checking out our videos for cleaning cartridges and aligning cartridges as well. Check anything you'd like to add down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.